away from the city, wandering among mountains and water. Here, the altitude ranged from 480 to 790 meters with a forest coverage rate of 81%. Ulonzi returns to his hometown, Fujian, China. This is also the starting point of our journey across the Pacific Ocean. The scattered tea fields embody the perfect fusion of nature and order. Each tea tree enjoys 2,568 hours of sunshine annually. Thanks to the excellent growing environment, we can still pick 3 leaves and 1 bud. On a sunny day, it's time for the final transformation. From shaking to cooling, the tea leaves collide and rub against each other like a tango. Intimacy and distance, control and release, allowing tea phenomena to fully contact oxidase. Repeating this process 4 times, the oolong tea achieves the semi-fermented state of green tea leaves is flat aged. Why are there so many types of oolong tea with such rich flavors? The secret lies in different fermentation degrees. The seemingly simple process of shaking and cooling hide infinite varieties like 0 and 1. It's just part of tea, a few leaves and a pot of hot water. It's just a pot of tea, for leisure, quenching thirst, and relieving fatigue. It has always been simple, but the people who drink it are different. The hustle and bustle of the office, the pressure of family, soothes them with tea. This moment is yours.